Hi guys, welcome to David Christopher's, and today I'm going to be balancing on top of this round table that has a small pedestal base, so if I'm stepping lightly you'll know why. And we're going to be doing our Marshmallow Magic theme today, and this is kind of one of the, for this evening, it's dark here. This is one of the reasons we're calling this Marshmallow Magic, is I love these marshmallows dipped in the blue icing and then with the sprinkles. Or I can't remember what they told me they were called in England. Bits? Something like that? My kids were telling me about that. I'm not sure. I haven't heard that one. But this is our marshmallow spray that I really just think embodies this tree. So we're going to be using a lot of these today, and I hope you enjoy this video. Hit that subscribe button, because if I fall, you know, could be bad. Never mind. Maybe I won't fall. Hit the subscribe button, because then there will be more content. If I don't fall, I guess that's would be more appropriate. One of the first things I'm going to add this kind of a light aqua ribbon with these little aqua stripes in it. Sorry, awkward angle on it. I'm going to start introducing some pinks, but it's too much trouble to get down off the ladder, so I'm going to introduce a few at the same time. Our pink bubble spray, which I just think is one of the cutest things. They're iridescent, so they pick up a lot of different colors, but they are pink based. And then we've got our snowflakes, our pink and white snowflakes with the glitter grass. Those are going to be a good addition. I'm going to add these in. Now we're going to introduce some serious bright pink amaryllis. Balance out all the blue. So now it's ornament time. I'm going to be adding lots of different ornaments in, like our mint candy finished plastic balls. And we have some of our iced finials with the sprinkles, of course. And we also have these tie-dyed style balls that have both pink and blue. We have tie-dyed style little cakes, and last but not least, for sure, we have tie-dyed ice cream cones. And these actually come two assorted, so you get a box, you get two different styles. You get one of the large waffle cone kind of shapes, and then you get one that's like a regular cone. Almost done. Just gotta add a few of these reflector balls with the sprinkles. A little bit more of our aqua light blue glitter. And then iridescent pom-poms, of course. You need that. I hope to have quite a few of these, but since our containers are running just a little behind, a lot behind. I'm having to add these. I only have 4 samples.